Good evening, everyone. This is Ananya Nandi bringing you to the latest edition of Walaku News Bulletin. Welcome to our bulletin. OpenAI is now building its first ever consumer AI device, planned for release in the second half of 2026, possibly as early as July or August. This new gadget is expected to bring powerful AI right into your hands in a simple everyday way. At the same time, OpenAI has added a cool new document memory feature to ChatGPT. Now even free users can upload documents and ChatGPT will remember them for future chats, making it much smarter and more helpful for students, workers and everyone else. These moves show OpenAI is working hard to make AI easier and more useful for all of us. Stay tuned, 2026 is going to be an exciting year for AI. In a major escalation, Russia launched a large-scale missile attack today, May 24, hitting Kyiv and several other Ukraine cities. The assault included the powerful Oresink missile and came in direct retaliation for recent Ukrainian strikes on Russian targets. Ukrainian officials say several people were killed and dozens more injured. Rescue teams are still working at the blast sites. The conflict, which began with Russia's full scale invasion on February 24, 2022, has now been going on for over 4 years. This sudden nighttime attack has shocked residents and raised fear of even bigger fighting ahead. India is burning. A severe heat wave has swept across north and central India for the past week, with temperatures crossing 45 degrees Celsius in many places. Cities like Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh are the worst hit. On Friday, Delhi recorded 46.8 degrees Celsius, one of the hottest days this summer. People are struggling with the intense heat, and doctors are warning everyone to stay hydrated and avoid going out in the afternoon sun. The Indian Meteorological Department says this heat wave may continue until May 28. Stay safe, drink lots of water, and keep cool. A new Ebola outbreak has started in a small town in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Health workers say the first case was found on May 12, 2026. So far, 18 people are sick and 7 have died. Doctors are moving fast with special medicine and safe care to stop the spread. The World Health Organization is sending help right now. People are scared but staying strong. Stay safe and wash your hands. Good news for job seekers. The government's Rojgar Mela has given a big push to employment across the country. On May 22, 2026, thousands of young people who have already cleared exams, interviews, and selection for government jobs, railways, defense, health, bank, etc., gathered at job fairs in major cities. Over 1.5 lakh job offers were given on the spot in sectors like banking, railways, IT, and healthcare. Many candidates received appointment letters the same day. The government says more Rojgar Melas will be held in June and July to create even more opportunities. For government jobs, you do have to give exams first through normal recruitment. The Mela is just the happy ending where they hand over the offer letters. This is a real step forward in fighting unemployment and building a brighter future for India's youth. The CJP, also called Cockroach Janta Party, is a satirical Indian political movement founded on 16th May 2026. It emerged as a direct response to controversial remarks made by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant on 15th May 2026 during a Supreme Court hearing. The judge reportedly compared certain unemployed youth and critics or people with fraudulent credentials to cockroaches and parasites in society. The comment sparked widespread outrage among young Indians facing high unemployment, exam paper leaks, inflation, and perceived systematic failures. Abhijit Deepke, who is the founder, a political communications strategist, and student at Boston University, who previously worked with the Aam Aadmi Party, turned the insult into a humorous, defiant symbol by launching the party the next day. It started as a joke or memes but quickly gained massive traction as a platform of Gen Z frustrations. Membership criteria are unemployed, lazy, chronically online, and able to rant professionally. The movement exploded online, gaining tens of millions of followers on Instagram, reportedly over 20 million in under a week, outpacing major parties. With memes, reels, petitions, and hashtags like hashtag maybe cockroach, I am I am too a cockroach. It is not a registered formal political party, but an online protest or satire movement. Its rapid rise led to backslash accusations of foreign interference, example Pakistan or Soros links, which the founder denies with analytics showing mostly Indian engagement. Account hacks, temporary block on X, and alleged government takedown of its website. That's all for today's Walaku News Bulletin. Thank you for watching. This is Ananya Nandi signing off. Stay safe and have a great evening. See you next time.